Are there any specific maintenance requirements for gel batteries compared to lead-acid batteries?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about the maintenance requirements for gel batteries compared to lead-acid batteries. If you're considering using gel batteries or if you're simply curious about the differences between these two battery types, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in.
Gel batteries.
Let's start by discussing gel batteries and their specific maintenance requirements. Gel batteries are a type of valve-regulated lead-acid (VRLA) battery. They are designed with a gel-like electrolyte that suspends the sulfuric acid, making them spill-proof and less prone to leakage. When it comes to maintenance, gel batteries have some distinct characteristics. Firstly, gel batteries are maintenance-free, which means they don't require regular water addition like traditional flooded lead-acid batteries. This is because the gel electrolyte is sealed and doesn't evaporate during normal operation. Furthermore, gel batteries are less susceptible to sulfation, a common issue in lead-acid batteries where sulfate crystals build up on the battery plates and hinder its performance. The gel composition of gel batteries helps to minimize sulfation, reducing the need for maintenance and prolonging the battery's lifespan.
Lead-acid batteries.
Now, let's shift our focus to lead-acid batteries and explore their maintenance requirements in comparison to gel batteries. Lead-acid batteries are the conventional type of rechargeable battery commonly used in various applications. Unlike gel batteries, lead-acid batteries do require some maintenance. One crucial aspect of lead-acid battery maintenance is checking and topping up the electrolyte levels regularly. Since lead-acid batteries use liquid electrolyte, water in the form of distilled water needs to be added periodically to compensate for evaporation. Additionally, lead-acid batteries are more prone to sulfation compared to gel batteries. This means that regular maintenance, such as equalization charging or desulfation procedures, may be necessary to prevent or mitigate sulfation and maintain the battery's optimal performance. To sum it up, when it comes to maintenance requirements, gel batteries are generally more convenient than lead-acid batteries. Gel batteries are maintenance-free, eliminating the need for regular water addition and making them hassle-free to operate. They also have better resistance to sulfation, reducing the need for specialized maintenance procedures. On the other hand, lead-acid batteries require periodic electrolyte level checks and water top-ups to compensate for evaporation. They are more susceptible to sulfation, which may necessitate additional maintenance steps to prevent performance degradation. Ultimately, the choice between gel batteries and lead-acid batteries depends on your specific requirements and preferences. Consider factors such as ease of use, maintenance needs, and the application's demands when making your decision. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the maintenance requirements for gel batteries compared to lead-acid batteries. If you have any further questions or need more information, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.